ArmeFacts.
Every day, your body works, even when you rest. But what if the secret to healing isn't in eating, but in not eating?
Fasting, an ancient practice now proven by modern science to unlock one of your body's most powerful repair systems.
When you stop eating, your body doesn't shut down. It begins to clean itself. Cells awaken a process called autophagy, self-eating. Old, damaged parts are broken down and rebuilt, like recycling for your body, turning waste into strength. In 2016, Dr. Yoshinori Osumi won the Nobel Prize, uncovering a hidden process inside our cells linked to fasting. This process reduces inflammation, strengthens immunity, and helps your body repair itself, cell by cell. After 12 to 16 hours, your body shifts from burning sugar to burning fat. Ketones become your new fuel. Ketones also fuel the brain, increasing focus, clarity, and energy. That's why fasting often feels like waking up sharper. Ancient monks, warriors, and healers fasted fat, not for weight loss, but for spiritual and physical renewal.
But fasting isn't just skipping meals. It's a biological switch. The moment you stop eating, your body starts transforming.
Your liver releases stored energy, your gut rests, and your cells begin deep maintenance. This is when the magic happens.
Insulin levels drop. Fat becomes fuel. Metabolism resets, not by force, but by nature.
Researchers like Dr. Jason Fung and Harvard scientists have shown fasting helps reverse insulin resistance and even type 2 diabetes. Your organs finally rest. Your liver flushes toxins that constant eating never allows. Studies show fasting triggers longevity genes, extending lifespan in animals and likely in humans. But beyond science, fasting resets your relationship with hunger, gratitude, and control.
Yet fasting isn't for everyone. Done wrong, it can cause gallstones, dehydration, or fatigue. Stay hydrated, break fasts gently, and avoid fatty meals immediately after long fasts. Always listen to your body.
If you have medical conditions, consult your doctor first. Fasting is powerful to thin, but precision matters. When done right, fasting activates autophagy safely, your body's natural renewal engine. You're not starving, you're rebuilding. A stronger, cleaner version of you emerges. People who fast report better energy, clearer skin, sharper mind float, and less dependence on sugar. Autophagy, ketones, longevity, all backed by decades of research. The body is far wiser than we imagine.
When you fast, you're not just skipping meals. You're teaching your body to heal itself. Fasting is not emptiness, Duray. It's renewal. The science has only begun to understand what the body has always known.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out our other videos for more amazing content.